My belief is that it's possible to live, love, and work with people who are different from us. So we can interact with people who we are afraid of, who we don't understand, who we disagree with, and build better, stronger, richer, and more resilient communities and neighborhoods. It does require some skills and practice. That's when transformation happens. And that's what I stand for. Hi, my name is Anna Lecat. I'm a public speaker, global CEO, corporate trainer. I'm also a 3-time immigrant from Ukraine to China, the United States, and now Paris, France. Through all my life of building global businesses and traveling and exposing myself to people from all kinds of different walks of life, I've understood when we make choice for that true connection, it improves everything in our personal and professional lives. Do you want to make a choice for connection? Come dance with me.